Hello, welcome to my Rubik's Cube solving video. This video is going to show you how to put the final four corners into place and solve the Rubik's Cube. So hopefully your cube at this stage looks like mine, where I've got the bottom two layers all solved, and then you've also got a yellow cross at the top, and then all those side colours match there. So blue, blue, red, red, green, green, and orange, orange. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put each of those four corners in the right place, and then also then spin them around if they're not in the right way around to finally solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay, so what you've got to do now is which is the first step, is just have a look around at these four corners and see if any of them are in the correct position, even though they may not be around the right way. And you can see there, this one would have to be green and orange, and that's green and red, so that's not right. This one would have to be orange and blue, and that's orange and green. This one would have to be blue and red. Oh, there we go, blue and red, and then there's the yellow piece. That one's in the right spot. And then that one there is going to be, that's blue and orange, where it should be red and green. So in this case, I've only got one that's in the right position, even though it's not the right way around. So what I do in this case is I hold that piece there closest to me. Now, if you've got none of those four pieces in the right spot, then you can hold the cube in any position as well, as long as it's facing upwards. And if you've got more than one in the correct position, then you can just, as long as you hold one of them in the right position down this bottom right hand corner, then that's where you want to hold at least one of the correct ones. And you might even be lucky enough to have all four pieces in the right spot, but just they're not flipped around the right way. And if that's the case, then wait for the second part of this video, which is where I show you how to spin the corners around. Okay, so let's get started then. I've got the that piece, even though it's in the right position, but it's not spun around. Hold that in the bottom right hand corner, or this corner that's closest to you on the right hand side, and then we do this move. So it is top clockwise, right side up, top anti-clockwise, left side up, top clockwise, and you got all the whites there, right side down, top anti-clockwise, you got all the whites there, and left side down. And let's just spin that round off, because that's still stayed in the right position. Red, green, no. Orange and green, no. And blue and orange, no. So what we'll do, we'll just repeat that move, holding that one once again closest to you in the right hand side, and do that move again, which is top clockwise, right side up, top anti-clockwise, left side up, top clockwise, you got all the whites there, right side down, top anti-clockwise, left side down. And let's have a look and see what's happened now. Oh, there we go. So the orange and blue is in the right spot, and it's flipped around the right way. Green and orange in the right spot, and it's flipped around the right way. And green and red, the right spot, but just needs to be flipped. And then the blue and the red right spot, and that also needs to be flipped. So now we're up to the final stage, or the second stage of this video, the final stage to solve your Rubik's Cube. So what you want to do is grab your Rubik's Cube now, spin it upside down, and we're going to spin that bottom clockwise. So we've got those two that are solved. We'll leave those at the back, and we've got that one to solve and that one to solve. And all we need to do is just our standard four move that we've learnt from the first solving the first layer, and we keep doing that until this corner is in the right spot. So follow with me, which is right side up, top clockwise, right side down, top anti-clockwise, and that's not right yet, so don't worry, it all looks a bit messed up, but just keep going on with that standard move, which is right side up, top clockwise, right side down, top anti-clockwise, and there we go, that's in the right position. So what we do is we grab the bottom part and spin that around through clockwise or through 90 degrees. So the next one that needs to be solved is in that bottom position, and then we do that same move again, which is right side up, top clockwise, right side down, top anti-clockwise. Not yet. So that's not solved yet, so we do that again, right side up, top clockwise, right side down, top anti-clockwise. Not yet. Right side up, top clockwise, right side down, top anti-clockwise. Not yet. Right side up, top clockwise, looking promising, and then right side down, and top anti-clockwise, and then spin that around, and there's no more corners to be solved. And there we go. The Rubik's Cube is all solved. So there we go. There's just one new move to learn in this stage. But yeah, if you practice, then you'll be able to solve a Rubik's Cube just like I can. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.